This is the world's only warm-blooded fish. To catch one is a rarity. To process it is a masterpiece of industrial engineering.
Today, Gentec Insights takes you where no camera has gone before, inside the secret billion-dollar world of moonfish processing. It looks like a ruby, it feels like silk, and it tastes like the ocean's greatest mystery.
Subscribe now. The journey into the abyss starts now.
The journey begins in the dead of night. These rare fish are brought straight from the abyssal currents to the factory doors in record time.
To preserve the incredible crimson color of its meat, the Opah must stay at a constant freezing temperature from the moment it leaves the sea.
Every fish is a titan. A single mature Opah can weigh as much as a full-grown man, requiring heavy-duty machinery just to move it.
Precision starts here. Our giant is carefully moved into the intake bay, where the high-tech transformation begins.
Total sterilization. Every fish is sanitized with ozonated water and UV light to ensure the highest global food safety standards.
Before a single cut is made, the fish is graded. Only the AAA grade catches move forward to the master butchers.
The scale of this operation is massive. This factory processes thousands of tons of...
The fins are the first to go. In the world of exotic seafood, every single part of the Opah has a premium destination.
A final rinse ensures the iridescent scales are polished and clean before the skinning begins.
We have cleared the intake. Now, prepare to witness the internal secrets of the ocean's most colorful mystery. The cleaning process is a delicate balance of power and precision, designed to protect the integrity of the rare fish meat beneath.
Thousands of fine, sand-like scales are removed in seconds, exposing the moonfish's natural silver armor.
These liquid blades use zero heat, ensuring the fish's internal temperature never rises, preserving its deep-sea freshness.
Precision is our religion. Every single fillet is scanned by infrared sensors to ensure the heat never penetrates deep enough to overcook the delicate center.
Before the smoke can work its magic, the surface moisture must be perfectly balanced. We move the loins onto...
High-velocity air strips away excess water in seconds, creating a pellicle, a thin, sticky layer on the fish's surface that will later trap the smoky essence. This is the science of flavor. As the air dries the exterior, it concentrates the natural omega-3 oils, making the fish meat.
We use cold smoke technology. By keeping the temperature below 30 degrees, we infuse the fish with deep, smoky...
The drying and smoking phase is complete. Our moonfish is now a cured treasure, ready to be graded for the global market.
To halt the clock on freshness, we enter the zero oxygen zone. Here, technology meets the deep sea.
Our custom-engineered polymer is designed for extreme clarity, allowing the natural beauty of the moonfish to shine through.
The vacuum pulse removes 99.9% of oxygen in milliseconds. Watch as the packaging becomes a second skin.
To preserve the ocean's freshness for years, we must stop time itself. The moonfish now enters the sub-zero heart of the factory.
This is IQF, individually quick frozen. By dropping the temperature instantly, we prevent ice crystals from damaging the delicate aquatic fibers of the meat. The cold is our preservative. No chemicals, no additives, just pure thermal physics locking in the omega-3s and natural oils.
Even at 40 below, the quality is unmistakable. Our moonfish retains its signature translucency and
speed is still of the essence. The loins must be sorted and moved to deep storage within minutes to maintain the thermal integrity of the product.
We build our pallets for stability and cold flow. In this facility, the logistics of the deep sea are handled with surgical precision.
We have arrived at the final presentation. A product this rare doesn't just need a box, it needs a pedestal.
Protection meets prestige. Our custom thermal inserts act as a final barrier, ensuring the frozen ocean...
Every loin is hand-selected for its visual perfection. Only the most vibrant, marbled pieces make it into our signature reserve packaging.
To guarantee freshness across oceans, we add high-performance cryogenic gel packs. These Arctic cores maintain...
This is the future of seafood. Our 2026 smart labels provide total transparency, allowing the box
sealed with gold.
Each box is a promise of quality, secured by our tamper-proof holographic seals.
For bulk distribution, our master crates offer triple-layer insulation, designed to withstand the rigors of international air freight. A final layer of liquid silver film is applied.
The factory never sleeps. Under the cover of night, our frozen treasures begin their journey.
From the Pacific coast to the dinner tables of Tokyo and New York,
The journey ends in the hands of a master. When the seal is broken, the chef doesn't just see seafood.
This is the Opah Moonfish experience. A texture that defies logic, a color that captivates the eye, and a taste that carries the soul of the deep ocean.
From the mystery of the abyss to the art of the factory,